welcome back to my channel and welcome to a brand new video. Now today guys, I have such an exciting product to show you, an item that has been kindly gifted to me by Coeebags. Now I've actually worked with Coeebags before on a luxury handbag that they're giving to me, a Louis Vuitton bag. I absolutely love that bag. So when they asked me to work with them again, I was so excited. I said yes, of course, and here I am. So the item they've gifted to me, guys, I'm going to show it to you in a second. It's absolutely amazing. I absolutely love comfortable shoes. I absolutely love Converse. Anyone that knows me personally would know that I absolutely love a Converse, okay? So I think you know where I'm going with this video, okay? So Coeebags, they're amazing. On their website, you can find dupe designer bags, really good quality dupe designer bags, shoes, accessories, belts, jewellery, you name it, Coeebags have got it. Even though they're called Coeebags, they don't just stock bags, okay? So the item that they've kindly gifted to me is in this box. Okay, lovely, luxurious box. Now when this arrived, I was thinking, what is in this? It's so big, you know? Opened it. And I was well surprised. So in the box, I've got this lovely dust bag that has Dior written on it. Drawstring bag. These always come in handy even if you're not going to use it for the item that it's used for. I've also got a Dior gift bag, and all wrapped up in the box, in this luxury box, is the item. Now wait for it, guys. This is what Coeebags have kindly gifted to me. I'm so happy. These are a dupe of the Dior trainers and I absolutely love them. Now guys, can you see the detail in there? It's got the Dior print going through it. It's got this lovely mesh detail. It's got the Dior stamp there. And what I like underneath, I don't know if it shows up on the camera, but you've got these indented bumblebees. So spring vibes all over. They're absolutely gorgeous. They've got lovely thick white laces. They've got this loop bit, which I just absolutely love because these actually help you to put the trainers on. They are so gorgeous. Okay, so obviously I've got a pair of them and they are just so lovely. Now Coeebags have given me a discount code for you guys to pop onto their website. You can use a discount code on anything on their website. It gives you a good amount of discount off. Now you can see how lovely these are. You can see why I'm so excited. They are stunning. Now I've got to say, they are a little bit big for me. Their sizes do come up a little bit different. I ordered a size 6. These are more like a size 7. But they are still wearable. They're so comfortable to wear. I absolutely love them. So that's them there. So on their website, like I said, you can find so many nice items. I don't know if you guys remembered, but they did actually gift me this beautiful Louis Vuitton bag, which I'm using. I actually use this nearly every day. You know, it's just so lovely. So you can also find this bag and so many others. They have a whole range. They have Louis Vuitton, they have Dior, they have Fendi, they have Gucci, they have Chanel. You name it, they have it on their website, and they're very good quality bags. I mean, I absolutely love this one. But going back to the shoes, guys, now I never realized they even did shoes, you know. But when they contacted me and asked me if I wanted to review a pair of their shoes, I was all up for it because I do absolutely love these. I've had my eye on these Dior shoes for ages, you know, but of course the price tag is not always the one. But these are just so affordable as well. You know, I will link these shoes in the description box below along with the Coeebags website and also the discount code, because with the discount code you get 15% off across the board on the Chloe website. So this is what I wanted to show you today, guys. Absolutely gorgeous. I mean, these are the shoes. Okay, you can see how stunning they are. It's got the Dior logo there. It's also got this lovely, like I said before, it's got this beautiful bumblebee detail on the soles, which I just absolutely love as well. And I just like how the laces have been tied up as well. I just like that subtle print of Dior going through the trainer there, and also that mesh detail is just so lovely. So summer vibes, so spring ready. I can't wait to actually wear these. So I'm just going to show you the packaging again. The box is so gorgeous. It's such a thick, sturdy box. I'm actually going to repurpose this box and use it to put documents in. The lid of the box is so sturdy. The box itself is really sturdy, really good quality, you know, so that is definitely going to come in handy. And then also the gift bag as well that it comes with, you know. I probably won't use the gift bag to put the shoes in, you know. I'll just probably give this away to someone, and I'm definitely going to repurpose this little bag as well. These are just so handy when you're traveling, to put like little bits and bobs in, or even to put the trainers in. Okay, so guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Do give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you are new, and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my up and coming videos. I'd like to say thank you to Coeebags for sponsoring this video. It's been absolutely amazing. I absolutely love my new Dior trainers, even though they are dupes. I absolutely love them, you know. So guys, pop onto the Coeebags website, have a look at what they have. You know, you're going to have a field day on there looking at all their items, you know. Like I said, I didn't know that they actually stock shoes, and now that I know, I'm going to be ordering some more shoes from them. The discount code is Amanda15, and that gives you 15% off anything on the Coeebags website. Okay guys, so thanks so much for watching. Take care, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.